The slow cook function is ideal for recipes that require longer cooking times at low temperatures. With the Element IQ system, heat is steered when and where it's needed to create and maintain the ideal heating environment for precision cooking. Insert the wire rack to position 8 and turn the function dial to select the slow cook function. You'll see here the temperature displayed with 2 preset temperatures, low and high. Select using the temperature dial. Use the time dial to set the cooking duration. A handy rule for slow cooking is to cook lower and slower for dense meat. You can cook for up to 72 hours on a low setting and up to 12 hours on high. Activate the slow cook function with the Start/Stop button. You'll hear the ding and the LCD will turn orange and indicate a blinking preheat message. Some key tips for slow cooking in your Smart Oven Air Fryer XL include: always bring whatever you're cooking to a simmer on the stove before placing it into the Smart Oven Air Fryer XL. Otherwise, you'll be cooking for 2 to 3 hours longer. Use a casserole dish whenever possible. Make sure cookware is no heavier than 13 pounds. Don't overfill your cookware either. A minimum of half and max of 3/4 full is best to avoid spillover. Keep the lid on to keep moisture in. Pop your casserole dish into the oven. The Smart Oven Air Fryer XL will automatically switch to the warm function at the end of the cook cycle to ensure your cook is kept warm until you take it out. If you prefer to cook a little longer though, press the "a bit more" button when the timer ends and the oven will add a little more slow cook time to keep the cook going. Thanks to the Air Fryer XL's smart settings, you can use the slow cook function to maximize hours in your day, or turn it on overnight and wake up to a perfectly cooked meal.